Autel Robotics Evo Nano Series Intelligent Super Sensing 4000 Camera Drone. Color Flame Red. Video Capture Resolution 4K HD. Control Type Remote Control. Media Type A Micro SD. Are batteries included? Remote control included? Yes. Evo Nano Plus is packed eighth. Evo Nano is equipped with a 48MP camera that can record ultra-sharp 4K 30fps video. Paired with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to prevent vibration, the Nano provides everything you need to ensure your footage is smooth and stable no matter how rough the conditions. 1128i. The Evo Nano is equipped with a 48MP camera that can record ultra-sharp 4K 30fps video. Paired with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to prevent vibration, the Nano provides everything you need to ensure your footage is smooth and stable no matter how rough the conditions. The Evo Nano series provides 4 options: Danxia Orange, Deep Space Gray, Glacier White, Flame Red. Among the splendor, belong to your life attitude. Super light, ultra compact at only 249 grams. The Evo Nano and Nano Plus weighs about as much as a smartphone and fits almost anywhere from the side pocket. Skylink Video Transmission. Skydio 2 Drone 4000. 360 Obstacle Avoidance. Track a subject. Fly cinematic skills autonomously or pilot manually with less stress thanks to unmatched and always-on obstacle avoidance made possible by 6 4000 navigation cameras, a NVIDIA TX to GPU, and advanced software or AI algorithms. 4K 60 HDR video, no need for image. Skydio keyframe. Design impossible camera motion that's smooth, precise, and repeatable. Pick your keyframes with a few taps. Skydio autonomously FLIs a continuous smooth path between them. Adjust the speed as necessary and/or control the camera manually as Skydio FLIs the defined path, all on its own. Autonomous skills. Let your drone fly itself. Performing complex tracking, high-speed obstacle navigation, all with smooth and cinematic composition at the press of a button. Select from skills like motion track, orbit, rocket, drone, and many more to capture incredibly unique foot. Impossible for any human pilot, thanks to unmatched obstacle avoidance and advanced software algorithms. Extended flight range. Get up to 6 kilometers of range with the new high-power 5 GHz radio and 2 collapsible omnidirectional antennas with a max speed of 36 miles per hour. Always follow local rules, regulations, and FAA guidelines, and fly your drone in line of sight at all times. DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI RC lightweight and foldable camera drone. Video capture resolution 4K HD. Effective still resolution 1. Connectivity technology Fi. Item weight 249 grams. Control type remote control. Media type A micro SD. Wireless communication technology Fi. Battery cell composition lithium-ion. Carefree creation weighing less than 249 grams. Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Seriously, pro shots capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K 60fps video and 48MP photos. The perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp feed. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Series Drones Fly More Kit. Brand out. Special feature a compact. Color black. Connectivity technology up. Cover included battery. Skill level professional. Item weight 1.7 kilograms. Battery capacity 7100 mAh. Battery cell composition lithium polymer. Our batteries include DJI's, compatible with Autel Evo 2, Evo 2 Pro V2, and V3, Evo 2 Pro RE-THA, Evo 2 Dual 640T, Evo 2 Dual 640T RE-THA drones. Note: the propeller is not fit for Evo 2 Pro. Enterprise drone. Autel Robotics Evo 2 series drones intelligent battery to PCS. Autel Robotics Evo 2 series drones 4-in-1 charging hub 1 PCS. Autel Robotics Evo 2 series drones low noise propellers 2 pairs. Autel Robotics Evo 2 series drones travel bag or shoulder bag for carrying drones and all accessories. DJI Air 2 seconds. Color gray. Video capture resolution 5. 4K HD. Connectivity technology fine included components. ND filters set N481632-1. Battery charger 1. Spare DJI AUX 1 control sticks pair 1. AC power cable 1. DJI AUX 1 RC cable standard micro USB connector 1. Gimbal protector 1. Shoulder bag 1. DJI AUX 1 remote controller 1. Battery to power bank adapter 1. Type-C cable 1. DJI AUX 1R. Item weight 20.99 ounces. Control type remote control. Media type a micro SD. Maximum range 12 meters. 1-inch image sensor equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 pixels. DJI Air 2 seconds is capable of 4K 30fps and 4K 60fps video. Master Shots. The next evolution of quick shots. Master Shots is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. The center of attention focus track features Spotlight 2.0, ActiviTrack 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2 seconds to follow or circle your subject. 1 billion colors. The 10-bit log-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details. 5 miles max video transmission. DJI Air 2 seconds features DJI's most advanced O3 OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. Environment sensing. DJI Air 2 seconds has the ability to perceive its environment and for directions, up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds.